Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off sponsored messages on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn app. So all you have to do, just go up here, you will click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to take you here in this window, then you just click here on settings and it's going to take you here settings window, just waiting to open for you like this, and you just click here on data privacy and it's going to take you here in this window, and all you have to do now, just go down and you click here on messages and you come to a next window here, you just go down and you come here to sponsored messages. Here you will click here on this sign or this color, and like you see color, it's gone. That's means sponsored messages, it's turned off now. I wish know you agree, that's all. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.